tell us a little bit more about this asset. Where's it located? What the size range is? So like the audience, in case they're shopping for something like this, they can
Yeah,
reach
so
out
we
to
have
you.
absolutely. So I'm marketing a Harbor Freight tools in Madisonville, Kentucky. Harbor Freight is an extremely strong tenant. They offer low price tools, category killer. The location is prime. I mean, it's a county seat. You have huge traffic counts along the corridor. We're directly along the main thoroughfare. I'd say we're at the heart of the corridor. Um, we're priced at a 6.5 cap, which is a great cap rate in this market for a single tenant asset. But there's a vacancy of 8,000 feet. And so you have the opportunity to get a 10 plus cap rate out of the deal once that is leased up. And so again, it's not a single tenant asset. It's more like a little strip center deal, but there's a big pop on it. And so it's, again, we have a lot of activity, but that pricing disparity between where the buyers are and where we make a deal is that's the challenge that we're faced with. Now, somebody's going to see double-digit returns if as soon as they fill that space, slap a loan on it. Price point is just under 2 million. I think we're at 1.9 million. But it's the kind of deal where, like Harbor Freight, for instance, they have 8 years on their lease. They've left, I think, one location in 5 years.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like, so when they go into a location, it's almost as though they're not leaving. They're there
Yeah,
for life.
sounds strong.
Mm-hmm.
That's a great opportunity, especially for an investor that says, "Hey, I want to buy this," and like it's somewhat like a value add with a strong tenant in there.